Okay, I'm gonna mix up some tuna patties for lunch. That's what I call them. I buy these Tuna Creations, and there's 1 gram of fat in a packet, and they're seasoned. So there's ranch flavor. Let's see what else. There's ranch, hickory smoked flavor, lemon pepper. Anyway, there's lots of different flavors you can buy, and they're really easy to use to mix up a meal. So, if I can get it open. So I'm making lunch for me and my husband. I've got 2 egg whites in here. So for a serving for just yourself, just do 1 egg white. But I'm doubling this because it's for me and for him. And so I'm just gonna empty 2 pouches into 2 egg whites. Okay, and then I'm gonna crush up 3 crackers per serving, so total of 6 Ritz crackers. Parsley flakes, and some garlic powder, and I'm gonna put some dried chopped onion. You can I put fresh herbs in these patties before, like dill, and it's really good. And then you're just gonna, that's what it looks like. You're just gonna mix that up, and then I'm gonna use some cooking spray and cook these on the stove top. And I will probably drizzle a little bit of that Bolthouse ranch dressing on top after. So I'll show you what they look like when they're cooking, and then when they're finished. These tuna patties are cooking up on the stove, and the egg white kind of serves as a binder, and then the cracker just as a filler. But these are gonna have 22 grams of protein in them, which is a lot, and only like 3 or 4 grams of fat per patty. So, and I'm gonna serve this with a side of sweet potato. So hopefully you're doing your meal prep in advance. You can just pop your sweet potato out of the refrigerator and serve it. These are done in, I don't know, less than 10 minutes. They're done in less than 10 minutes. They're really, really easy lunch. So anyway, go visit theeverythinghousewife.com for more recipes. Lunch is finished. I've got my sweet potato on the side of my tuna patty, and I even drizzled a tablespoon of Bolthouse ranch dressing. And so this is, I believe this is 5 grams of fat, 22 grams of protein, and 25 grams of carbs. And that includes the half of the sweet potato that we put on the plate. Anyway, I think that's what it is. I'll list them at the end. But this will be a yummy lunch, easy lunch. Go visit theeverythinghousewife.com for more details.